Yes, sir. He is very good.
What is his designation?
I am newly appointed OIC. I am
Not
assistant.
OIC. Where is the registrar or the sub-registrar of the university? Available warrants were for his presence.
The registrar sir directed me to appear in a court.
No, registrar sir, then we'll issue non-bailable warrants for the production of registrar. First you receive notice, you don't appear. Then when we issue bailable warrants, he still doesn't appear. So he'll be arrested and produced before us. Why is he not present today? Why is he not present today? Mr. Counsel,
Yes.
why is he not present today? Bailable warrants for his presence and he still doesn't appear.
Lordship, I have requested him to appear, but he said I am busy in some other matters. And,
All right.
And
Then
deputy registrar has
issue-
been.
Then we'll issue warrants for his arrest. He is busy in some other matter despite bailable warrants being served on him. First notices, and this is not one matter.
Lordship,
We
I will ensure his appearance on the next date of the hearing.
So
along with
why
the
is he
written-
not present today despite bailable warrants being executed against him? First summons are sent, received, he chooses not to appear. And then we issue bailable warrants, executed, he chooses not to appear.
My lord, we will 100% ensure his appearance at
Why is he
any,
not
any
present
cost,
today?
and he will submit the written also. That may be even my lord within 3 days. By that
No,
time,
but
your
why
warrant
is
is
he
served,
not-
by that time he will appear here.
Which matter is more important than appearance after execution of warrants? Which matter is more important? Which is the matter he is busy in? Please tell us.
For this, we cannot.
First summons are good and he ignores them. Totally ignores them, bothers not to appear. Now warrants are executed, bothers not to appear. If he is taken in custody, what will happen to his job? Please tell us what course of action should we take against him.
Kindly permit, sir, his career will be adversely affected. He
Of
will
course
appear
it will be.
tomorrow or day after tomorrow, sir. We will submit
Why?
the return and ensure the appearance, sir.
No, why is he not here today?
But
Why is he not here today?
Because of some urgent work in which he was involved, and
What is the, please tell us what is the urgent work?
my lord, in petition itself, there is a mention, registrar or deputy registrar. Accordingly, this deputy registrar is appear before your lordship.
Is he the deputy registrar? He is an OIC.
He is
Not even a
one.
deputy.
Yes.
He is not even a deputy registrar.
No, he is assistant registrar and vice of the case.
He is deputy registrar.
हाँ नहीं सब रजिस्ट्रार लिखा सर पिटीशन में there my learned friend has used the word registrar or sub registrar. There is no.
What is his designation?
His designation is assistant registrar.
असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार एंड OIC न्यूली अपॉइंटेड OIC 2 दिन पहले ही मुझे अपॉइंट किया है.
The warrants were served on whom? Who issued bail? Who gave bail?
Registrar.
Who was served?
Registrar.
Then why is he not present? Why is he not present? Not even bother to connect through VC? He is so senior that he doesn't even bother to appear.
No sir, we will 100% ensure his presence by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow along with everything. Instead of warrant, sir, my undertaking may be taken on record and we will 100% ensure the appearance either with tomorrow or day after tomorrow as per directions of the court.
You see, we are never happy summoning officers. They are busy with their work, but they can't take court so lightly that they, despite service of notice, they don't even bother. There is no appearance. Then when we give personal presence, there is no personal presence. Bailable warrants executed, still absent. What option do we have?
My lord, this may be with a mistaken belief that a sub-registrar can function in place of him. So, whether it is a matter of sir, 2 days or 3 days, whenever it is directed as per the convenience of the court, he will be 100% appear. And
The
if
warrant
doesn't appear,
execute
then the consequences of the warrant is already available.
Warrant execute हुए, registrar पे, still he doesn't appear. What are your instructions in the matter otherwise on merits?
Yes.
So ultimately, delays.
Let me address, sir. all these, the petitioners, they are the students. And they said that their verification of the documents should be produced before the court. My lord, verification has already been done. All these 3 students were not found even eligible for the admission. Their certificate were found false. The matter is under process. As soon as we will get the report along with the FIR, we will submit it. Kindly see the documents of the petitioner. Kindly have a look at page 23. Page 23, the signature of the petitioner is Sahadev Payal. ठीक है सर? और आगे देखिए सर.
One second.
शिव Sahadev Payal और
Yes.
see the representation at page 42. No, it is at page 39. यह लिखा है Sahadev Payal. Both the signatures are totally different and distinct.
Now, when you considered this representation, did you have a copy of the paper?
My lord,
Did you
signature
have a
is
copy of
totally
the? Did you have a copy of the petition when you looked at his representation?
Definitely, sir. There
अब
must
आपने
be
compare किया
along
था?
with the application form. So
आपने
I have
compare-
got the standard signature and there is a different signature even in the petition
No,
itself.
is that a defense to the petition?
Sir, I could not.
Are you saying a representation is forged?
So definitely one signature 100% full. Sahadev Payala hai his name. Here they have written on page number 23. Kindly see Sahadev Payal.
You are Mr.
Written it directly.
Sorry,
Sahadev Payal.
what
Verification
is
में
your-
भी Sahadev Payal लिखा है और
RG
What
Mahajan.
is your name?
Mahajan.
What is your name?
Mahajan, sir. And,
Mr. Mahajan.
and at page number 39 also, sir.
Mr. Mahajan.
Sir.
जब आपके पास रिप्रेजेंटेशन आई तब आपके पास पिटीशन की कॉपी तो थी नहीं.
हाँ होगी ना सर.
कैसे होगी? पिटीशन तो तब फाइल ही नहीं हुई थी. तो
नहीं,
आपने
इसकी नहीं, ओरिजिनल सिग्नेचर का मैं कह रहा हूँ.
ओरिजिनल जो इन्होंने अनेक्सर P3 दिया है 4/2/2025 को,
जी.
वो आपने रिजेक्ट किया इस ग्राउंड पे कि ये डॉक्यूमेंट फोर्ज्ड है.
नहीं, ये तो डॉक्यूमेंट सर हमें बाई पोस्ट ही मिले हैं सर, जिसमें लिखा हुआ है these 2 different signatures के साथ.
4/2/2025 को आपने क्यों इग्नोर किया? आप कह रहे हैं क्योंकि पिटीशन में दस्तखत अलग है.
23 पे डिफरेंट है सर, एफिडेविट पे सिग्नेचर डिफरेंट है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन पर डिफरेंट सर.
तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन आपके पास जब आई तब तो आपके पास एफिडेविट नहीं था.
मेरे पास तो आया है नहीं. इट इज मैटर ऑफ वेरिफिकेशन. इट इज इनक्लोज अलोंग विद द पिटीशन इटसेल्फ मैन.
मिस्टर महाजन, दैट इज नो आंसर. स्टूडेंट ने रिप्रेजेंटेशन दी आपको, आपने उस रिप्रेजेंटेशन पे क्या एक्शन लिया?
वो तो सर we have to explain it along with the written, my lord. Here this is a simple objection which I have taken before your lord. But something which is there, signatures are different and identification also doubtful.
My lord,
In
may
view
I
of the
submit,
signature.
may I submit a fact, my lord? My lord, around 110 students had submitted their certificates before the authorities for verification. Out of 110 students, 89 candidates have been rejected on the grounds that they are like false certificates or they are like students who have committed fraud upon the authorities.
100%
Is it-
fraud
is it
is there. We
possible?
are reporting this matter to the police. They have manipulated their experience certificate, practice certificates on which they have procured admission.
In
They cannot be
students who are-
permitted to play with university admission in counseling and college and further to university and pressurizing to declare the result immediately in a hot haste. Now we will give you a detailed reply along with everything, with your conduct also.
What has happened to the other petition?
My lord, so far as the other matters, other petitioners who had in fact
So
participated.
there was a writ petition 37934. What has happened to that?
My lord, it's been disposed.
When was it disposed of?
My lord, 2 petitions were there, 3793424 and 38385 2024. I have annexed the
Yes,
It's
the order is there in
in
the
the
reference,
reference.
serial number 1. These petitions were disposed of with the direction to the respondent
To permit them to appear in an examination subject to verification of the record, documents.
verification.
हाँ. नहीं, without verification they were permitted, my lord, they were permitted, they appeared. Now the verification report has come and in which they were not found eligible. And experience certificate or game certificate were found false.
And Mr. Mahajan,
Yes.
you see, if you look at the order dated 4/12/2024, annexed as at
This
page
30.
36. Please read paragraph 2 of that order.
None appeared for Barkatullah, yes.
Yes.
On 2/12, thereafter the matter was adjourned, none appeared for it, and it was pointed out that the counsel for the petitioner himself that on account probably nobody had appeared for the said respondent. Accordingly, the matter was kept for today, keeping in view of the
So
examination.
Barkatullah University has the habit of not appearing in matters.
Sir, this, we as a lawyer can appear subject to wakalatnama, my lord. They have.
No, so we,
Travel
Mr.
today itself
Mr.
and
Mahajan,
taken-
Mr. Mahajan, it is not on the council. It is on the
This,
Barkatullah University, the registrar. He chooses not to appear. So we'll have his personal presence tomorrow. Otherwise, we'll have to issue warrants of his arrest. Every matter he chooses not to appear. Break down. Despite the bailable warrants being executed on the registrar, Barkatullah University, pursuant to order dated 2/4/2025, the registrar is still not present in court. He has sent a newly appointed officer in charge who is praying for an adjournment. We note that in earlier cases also, there is virtually refusal on part of Barkatullah University to be represented, and coercive steps have to be taken to secure their presence. Yes, Mr. Mahajan, what do we say? Should we forfeit his bond and arrest him?
my lord, I will ensure that.
Should we forfeit the bond and arrest him? That's what the law says.
It will be the more strict action, sir.
Yes, so that's the law.
He will appear, sir. He cannot deny and disobey the court order.
What is happening? That's what's happening. Mr. Mahajan, Learned Counsel, appearing for Barkatullah University, submits that on account of an error, he is not, on account of a confusion, he is not personally present today. He assures that the registrar shall be personally present in court. When, Mr. Mahajan?
Within a week, sir.
What do you mean within a week?
14th or 15th, along with return, we will submit everything, and he will also be. On 15th.
Shall be personally present in court on, yes, Justice Saraf, 15th?
15.
15th April 2025. Re-notify on 15th April 2025. The registrar is directed to be personally present in court on the said date, failing which it is clarified that coercive steps shall be taken against the registrar.
My lord,
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 4. I'm seeking permission to file wakalatnama. Today, my lord, I have received the wakalatnama. I'm seeking permission.
File it.
my lord, I have a request. My lord, if they file reply, if they're intending to file reply, the copy of the same may be supplied to us in advance.
The respondent university is directed to, Mr. Mahajan, Learned Counsel, appearing for Barkatullah University, submits that the document submitted by the petitioners and other students were found to be forged during document verification. We prays for time to produce the verification report. Let the same be also produced on the next date of hearing. Please produce the verification report on the next date of hearing.
Yes, sir. Accomplishment.